Brielle, let's see what birds you know.
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, let's turn the pages.
Yes, Mommy.
Okay. Do you know any birds on this page?
This ostrich.
Ostrich.
Yay.
Wow, great job. Do you know any birds on this page?
Eagle.
Awesome. Let's turn the pages again.
This is on.
Oh, wow, great job.
This is penguins.
Penguins. What the penguin is doing here?
The penguin is swimming in the water.
Penguin swimming in the water.
Toucan.
Great job. What about this bird? Do you know this bird?
Parrot.
Awesome. What is this one?
This one.
It's a dove.
Dove.
Wow. Let's turn the pages again.
This is a rubby ducky.
Ducky. What is this?
Chicken.
Wow. Good
Duck.
job. Do you know any birds here?
Cauliflower.
It's a flower, but what type of bird? Hummingbird.
Hummingbird.
Great jobby. And that's it. Bye, everyone.
Bye, little one.